What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tuning. Today's video is on this gorgeous little Abarth, and it's in for a new injectors and a big file upgrade as well. It's a TD04 conversion, so it's just going to be as fast as the other one. That was mad. Got loads of views. Loads of you wanted this kind of kit on your car, so it's going to be an absolute madness. Let's get it. So as you can see in front of us, Adam has fitted the new injectors and everything is complete now. We're just getting a file off the ECU, and then we're going to send the file off, get the file back, and then take it out and see what it's pushing. So we're just out in the Abarth again with Shane. The file is on now, so it's all complete, all the injectors are on, everything's done. And we're just going to take it out for some dyno runs now. Shane has literally just put his foot down a tiny little bit. We just got a sense of how fast this is, and it feels like it's probably faster than the other red one that we did, which was an absolute animal anyway. So this is going to be quite an interesting reaction of me and Shane for this one, and it's loads louder as well. It's so loud with the pop and bang. This is going to be a madness. Sick. Yo, wow, that's so sick. Bow, 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 bow. Oh my god, dude. Wow. First time I've done that. That is insane. About 5 out of 5 stars there. I recommend these guys. The tune is amazing. The car's pulling extremely hard, and they've been really good with us all day. We come all the way from London as well, and they've looked after us properly while we've been down there as well. So
you got another long journey home now as well.
Yeah, no, I'm looking forward to at this speed. Yeah.
Oh, it's mad. Absolutely mad.
When that comes on hard.
Yeah, boy.
Oh dear, what a car.
Literally, guys, the boost is literally instant. It literally, when you put your foot down, once it hits that 3,000 revs, it's throwing you in your seat. It's amazing.
Oh, Jesus.
Recommend these guys. Definitely come down and check these guys out.
I'm glad that you like. Oh dear, absolutely mad. Well, thanks for bringing it down to us anyway.
No problem, man. I'll be back.
Appreciate it
when I forge it.
Sound. Look forward to it.
Yeah, definitely. So the Abarth is back. What an absolutely savage car it is. It's slightly faster than the red one as well, which we thought that it was going to be at 250 brake. So some decent gains, and oh my god, the anti-lag like scared the crap out of all of our office staff and the people in the garage as well. So what an absolutely savage car. So if you want something very similar, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you soon.